Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you another makeup tutorial. I feel like it's been so long since I did a makeup tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how I created this beautiful summer colorful look on Onyi. So I'm working on Onyi Beke. She's a beautiful model and an influencer, and I'm just starting off, priming her skin, making sure it's ready for makeup. The first thing I'm going in with is a spray all over her face just to keep it hydrated before I then moisturize her skin using the Embryolisse. This is one of my favorite moisturizers of all time. It's great for oily skin, for dry skin, and for combination skin. Now I'm brushing her brows up just to have that feathery brow look before I go into continuing the other parts of my skin work. I'm going in with the M-Skin oil all over the face just to massage that and give her that nice glow from within illuminated look. I'm massaging that into the skin, working it all the way in using my fingers, which are clean and sanitized. And now I'm going in with a concealer just to correct the dark spots around her eyes, around her mustache or mouth area. And I love to do this because it helps me limit the amount of product I go in with in terms of foundation afterwards. As you can see, her skin looks really healthy, looks really good. She has such a beautiful skin. So I'm just blending the concealer out using a fluffy brush, and this brush is from Morphe. Now I'm going straight into concealer as well. This concealer is the Bondi Sway concealer from Too Faced, and it's in the shade Mahogany. This is my favorite concealer, guys. I love it for every skin tone. It's beautiful, and I'm just working that in, going in to massage that in using a flat brush. Now I'm just blending everything in using this beauty blender, which is damp, to give her that nice, even, almost like a no makeup look. And now I'm going in with foundation. I'm using the Nuban Beauty flat foundation brush, which is one of my favorites as well, and the Lancome Teinte Idole foundation in the shade, I think this is number 11, and I'm just working that into her skin. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced Bondi Sway concealer in the shade Mocha, and I'm just lifting her face by highlighting, and also I'll be contouring her face. You guys know the whole works. You know how I highlight and contour. If you want to see a detailed video of my highlighting and contouring routine, then click the link that pops up right here. I'm just blending everything in, working in the contour shade and the highlight shade. I like to blend my contour first so that it gives my concealer enough time to solidify, and it gives it more of like a full coverage look once I then start blending the concealer under the eyes. Now I'm going in with my makeup sponge just to blend this concealer under her eye. One of the reasons I love this concealer is it's full coverage, and then it blends evenly. It's just so seamless and so creamy. I love the texture. I love what it does on the skin, and I just love everything about this concealer. It's my favorite at the moment, I'm not gonna lie. One of the key things that you should note when blending is take your time. You have to work your way from one corner to the other. And because the skin is so hydrated and so soft, the product is literally just melting into her skin, creating such a flawless finish. I'm going to set under her eyes using the Nuban Beauty powder in the shade Caramel. And now I'm also going in with the Hudabeauty powder in the shade Kunafa just to highlight and brighten the under eye area. And now I'm using this Morphe M500 and the Fenty Mocha Mami bronzer just to define and bring back the warmth to her face and to her nose. I'm also going in with more powder around kind of like her smile line so that it doesn't crease and it stays in place. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm using the Louise eyeshadow base all over the eyelid and a flat brush, and then slowly I start to work my way in using this fluffy blending brush from Morphe, and I'm using kind of like a mustard shade eyeshadow. It's a matte shadow, and I'm just slowly packing in that color onto her eyelid and making sure that even when I blend, I'm taking my time just so that the color pops. And one of the reasons why I love the Louise eyeshadow base is that it just helps show the color and the vibrancy in the eyeshadow. Now I'm also going in with an orange coral tone on her eyelid. I wanted to do something a bit adventurous, which is what I believe I did with this eyeshadow. It just reminds me of like sunset. Yellow and orange are two of my favorite colors when it comes to makeup. And now I'm going in with the MSmetics Eyelashes on her eyes. And I'm also going to apply a bit of that mustard color under her eyes just to open it up and make it look more fierce. Now going into the eyebrows, I am applying or filling in the eyebrows using the Beautyline by Didi pencil, creating short strokes, very natural, very feathery, just so that it looks perfect and it looks beautiful. I love this pencil, I love the shade, I also love the fact that it has a brush on the other end, and yeah. Now I am defining the eyebrows, just cleaning it with concealer and a flat eyeshadow brush. Now I'm just going to dust off the powder using this Nuban Beauty fluffy brush and dust off whatever excess has been baking. I typically wouldn't bake. As you can see, it kind of leaves the under eye area looking a little bit dry. I'm going to go back in with a setting spray just to warm that up and make it look even better. I'm also taking my time just to blend the nose contour a little bit. I'm going with the Lancome mascara to, pop her lashes. And then using the Badescu spray all over her face. Only in such a chatterbox, we were having a beautiful time, laughing, gisting, and just talking the entire time. Now I'm going in with blush, just like a nice orangey tone blush. And now for my lips, I'm using the Beautyline by Didi lip pencil. It's a brown pencil, and I'm smudging that out using the lip brush from Nuban Beauty. Now I'm going in with a nice matte nude lipstick. This is from MAC, I believe, and I'm just tracing that line that I worked in all the way the first time and creating just a nice nude lip. I'm also making an ombre, so I'm adding like a nice touch of like a lighter nude in the middle, lighter pink. It has very beautiful lips. And now I am going in with a bit more color in her inner tear duct and popping her inner tear duct out using this nice coral tone as well. I think she looks beautiful. I think she looks so stunning. And I'm going in with a bit of highlighter on her nose, and I decided to add a bit of lip gloss on her lips just so that it looks very voluptuous. She looks so good. Honestly, I can keep staring at this look. I'm so proud of this look that I created on her, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned one or two things.
I met you at the wrong time.
If you want to see more makeup tutorials, comment below. This is the final look. Do not forget to smash that subscribe button, and I'll be sure to see you guys soon. Bye.